How much money have you made from Faceless YouTube channels in the few years that you've been doing this?
In that like kind of like 1.3, 1.5 range. No.
This is Devon Canup, the guy who exposed the gem of YouTube automation. For those who do not know Devon Canup, he is a faceless YouTube expert who has made over $1 million using faceless YouTube channels. His success in YouTube automation has made other content creators to interview him on how he makes them. Without a doubt, Devon Canup has created another channel where he shows his face, and the results are mind-blowing. He published a video just 3 weeks ago, and it has already generated over 100,000 views. This indicates that he truly understands the secrets of the YouTube algorithm. I will break down how Devon Canup was able to do this through one of his interviews. Trust me, I will make it very simple and easy for you to do it yourself. Let's start with the niche.
And so the more niche down you are, the more valuable you are.
Devon Canup stated that the more niche down you are, the more valuable you become. Well, this makes lots of sense. Sticking to your niche makes you recognized very easily than having a general niche. Let's take this for example. Imagine that a video editing software company wants a channel to advertise their products on YouTube through brand deals. Channel A makes videos about video editing only. Channel B has made video about video editing before, but he blends with random content. Who do you think is likely to win the brand deal? It is obvious that Channel A will get the brand deal over Channel B, because the company will obviously get to know that Channel A is niched down to video editing only. Aside getting brand deals easily when you have a specific niche, your viewers will always get to know the type of content you deliver. This helps the YouTube algorithm to understand you more. Remember, the algorithm is your audience. So always make sure you have a niche you are passionate about before starting a faceless YouTube channel.
The main thing, like the main direction that YouTube is heading as a platform is towards original content.
Devon Canup said that YouTube want original content. That is the way forward. Have you ever wondered why most fresh channels are getting views without any subs? This is because of how these fresh channels produce originality of it content. YouTube do not want the same content on their platform. They always want something new to feed the algorithm, which is the audience. Would you watch the same videos you watch on other channels? No, you won't, right? This is how YouTube makes their money. The more that people stay on their platform, the more money they will make. How then can they maintain viewers on the platform? It is through original content.
How long take you guys to produce a video?
On an average time frame, I'd say like 2 weeks.
Devon Canup made it known that a video can take 2 weeks to produce. This significantly indicates that there must be quality than quantity. It is always better to release quality videos in a week than uploading 7 dump videos in a week.
Yeah, so I think the main issue most people when they get into this is they just try to copy people.
If your videos are not going viral, then it is obvious that you might be copying other people's videos. YouTube is very advanced, and they know each video been uploaded on the platform. A video which is already viral does not mean that when you do same, you will also go viral. A video with 5 million views does not mean you will also become successful when you do same. This is because the YouTube algorithm already pushed it to the audience, and they have consumed it already, so new content is expected.
Mr. Beast, the largest creator on the platform, is the most unoriginal, ununique guy ever. Every single video he does is the same video, and that's because he understands YouTube. Most people don't understand YouTube, and this will come all together.
Devon Canup went ahead exposing how Mr. Beast flip his content. He stated that successful creators keep on flipping their content. That is, when their content goes viral, they remake the same content with different strategies. Typical example is how Mr. Beast made content about how he spent his days in 24 hours. He kept on flipping the same content with different strategies because the audience loved it. You can give a try if your content goes viral one day. This is really a secret gem given to you for free. So, subscribe to my channel if you have not.
Just figure out who is this video that, who is the audience that enjoys this content, and just putting like a face and a name to it, and kind of really just understanding who that viewer is and putting yourself in that person's shoes.
Yep. There is a saying, first come, first served. Channels which make the first move always outrank their competitors. This was what Devon Canup was telling us. You will need to check if there are less or no channels making videos about a specific topic. The topic must be demanded in the system. If there are less channels making content about a topic with high search volume, then you hit a jackpot. You can go ahead to make content about that topic to lead on YouTube. This is something I have practiced on my other channel, and it has made 300,000 views.
But I had a guy, one of my students, he had a video that got 22 million views, and it was like a 10-minute long video, and the average person watched 10 seconds of the video.
This is what Devon Canup said about CTR. This could mean that CTR does not always matter when it comes to going viral. CTR will matter when it comes to revenue. He said his student had 22 million views and had $30,000 in AdSense revenue. If the channel had a good CTR, his student could have made over $80,000 with just a video. In order for us to make our videos have a good CTR, we must make the video interesting. Add storytelling techniques in order for your viewers to wonder what you will say next, instead of them predicting your next point. Also, your B-rolls should not stay for long. It must change as time goes. If possible, every 20 to 30 seconds, you will need to trigger something new in the video. People have a short span than you think.
Now we're actually, like, some of my channels, we're actually starting to make more money off of like brand deals and sponsorships than we were the ad revenue. Most of it, like 80-90% of what I made now on YouTube is ad revenue.
Devon Canup make revenue through YouTube Partner Program, sponsorship, and brand deals. I put in consultation form in the description. And if you really just want to level up your YouTube channel, you may fill it up to be guided. Peace.